In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio in Canva. First, log into your Canva account, then go to the left sidebar and click this Templates button. From here, go to the search bar and search for the type of portfolio that you want to make. For example, let's search portfolio for graphic design. Then just scroll through all of these options and find the one that you like. For example, let's choose this one. Click Customize this template, and it will bring you to the editor page. Once you're in the editor page, you can start customizing this template by changing the background color. To do that, just click on the background, then go to the top toolbar and click this color option. This will open up a panel on the left side of your screen where you can choose a color from these options. But if you don't want any of this color, you can add a new color by clicking this plus icon, then use these color pickers or type in a hex code if you have one. Then to change the text in the template, you can double-click the text box and change the text to whatever you want. For example, let's change the name. And then when you click the text box, you'll see these options to change the font style, size, color, alignments, or even add an effect. If you want to apply the same font color to all pages, just click this button here and it will change right away. Now, if you want to change the photo but want to keep the position, just simply click on it, then choose a photo from the Elements tab, or you can also upload your own file from your computer by clicking this Upload Files button, and the photo will appear here. For this demonstration, I'll just use photo from the Elements tab. Let's choose this one, and just drag and drop it to the photo like this. Then you can repeat the same steps as before to the other pages. Once you are happy with the result, you can click this Publish Website button at the top right. Preview the result on desktop and mobile. Set the site address, adjust the settings, and lastly, click this purple Publish button. Canva will automatically publish your portfolio website and give you a link. So that's how to create a portfolio in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.